So voila, this is one of the drawings that I did when I was in prison. It is done with a pen or pencil, blyant as it's called in Norway, that kind of thing. And it was a really meditative situation to be in that situation, sitting at night thinking about life, existence of everything, and doing these drawings and feeling quite peaceful actually. The absurd thing is I had more peace in there than I ever had actually. So you have to just take that with you out into the free and not make freedom into a prison, because freedom tend to become a prison if you do the wrong things. So let this be an example of peace of mind and the use of time in a very stoic way. You also find a full link to my prison stories 1 and 2 in the description and after this video. And yeah, I'm going to start doing more pencil tutorials and stuff on YouTube also, so if you stick with me, see me do that and talk about life and everything, what I do, how I do this. And the thing was that I actually had to do the details first and then go over it with skravur afterwards to kind of make it be laid down in the background. So it's almost like a glazing, but with a harder pencil over already made details. It's quite interesting actually, and I figured this out by myself because I hadn't been doing any pencil in almost 25 years. So it was a learning process for me. Anyway, hope you enjoy this. And yeah, this was recorded in an exhibition in Karmøy where I was attending, and they started to bang with a hammer, so I'm just gonna say this. I hope you enjoyed it, as I said, and I hope you can go to my Patreon and sign up there. Also give it a thumbs up, it's so important for the algorithm these days, and please leave a comment, it's so important. Now, here you can actually see soon to come right now. You can see some of the details. You see it's a little bit different color when you see it in a photo, but this was what I did in prison and many other things, and it was a stoic experience. So, I hope to see you on Patreon or buy me a coffee. You find a link in the description, and see you in the next video.